yeah, 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 yeah. Energy distribution around the earth is affected by the albedo effect and the curvature of the earth. The albedo effect is when lighter objects reflect more energy than darker objects. So snow at the poles reflects more energy than darker rainforests at the equator. The absorbed energy is converted to heat and explains why the equator is hotter. Yeah. The albedo effect in our atmosphere reflects and absorb the sun's heat. The path to the equator is easier as the Earth's curve is hard to beat. Clouds and dust reflect energy. Higher angles makes it easy. The curve of the Earth affects heat distribution. There's a lower angle at the pole to the sun. More atmosphere must be traveled through, more dust and clouds to reflect the higher angle of the sun at the equator. Means more energy can get through. This is why there is more heat at the equator, and it is much colder at the pole. The albedo effect in our atmosphere reflect and absorb the sun's heat. The path to the equator is easier as the Earth's curve is hard to beat. Clouds and dust reflect energy. Higher angles makes it easy. Makes it easy. The curve of the Earth also affects how spread out the sun's energy is. At the poles, the energy is distributed over a greater area, you see. At the equator, it is more focused and is harder for everyone to see.